during a plant's life cycle. It will perform best when specific light levels, and the actual spectrum of light can be tailored to the stage of growth the plant is currently in. It is an advantage if growers can create unique light spectral recipes for each stage of growth, from clones to vegetative to flowering. TrallMaster offers an advanced feature on the Hydro X Pro control system called Spectrum Control. By applying the Spectrum Control, users have complete control over 4 independent LED lighting channels, including UV, white, deep red, and far red. This advanced feature of the Hydro X Pro is only compatible with Think Grow Plus series of LED fixtures. First, tap the Advanced icon to access the advanced features on the Hydro X Pro. Then tap Enter to access the Spectrum setting page. You'll see a spectrum simulator shown on the screen. By adjusting the slider bars of each spectral channel, the graph will show a simulation of how the spectrum would look based on each spectral channel's adjustment. Once you have finished adjusting the graph, tap the setting button on the right top corner of each spectral channel to access the setting page for that channel. Settings can be done with an easy-to-read line chart. First, create a basic setting with the line chart using the Initial Setting tab in the upper left corner. You can also set up the sunrise and sunset time here with a maximum of 30 minutes. You can then add more set points to fine-tune your schedule. Simply tap on the Add button to create a new set point on the line chart, and ramp up or ramp down the spectrum percentage at a specific time. By adding more set points, you can create multiple spectrum schedules within 24 hours to design your unique lighting recipes. For more precise and accurate setting, tap on a set point or the Add button and type in the desired spectrum level and the time directly in the data entry boxes. Use the Delete button to remove any unwanted set points. Finally, click Save to save the setting, and the settings will be applied automatically. Once you have selected your desired spectrum settings, you can activate the Spectrum Control feature on the Hydro X Pro. To activate the Spectrum Control feature, go back to the Advanced Features menu and then tap the On button. Once the Spectrum Control feature is activated, the original light schedule and some of the other advanced features will be grayed out, so that no manual changes can be made. Spectrum Control is also available on our web-based control system. You can monitor your devices by using the free TM Plus or TM Plus Pro application on your phone and change the settings using the web-based control system.